Hi, welcome to my C++ tutorial. I'm going to tailor this tutorial for Windows because I think that's what most of my viewers are using. However, if you'd like me to make a Mac tutorial, let me know in the comments below. So we're going to start by downloading a program for Windows called Visual Studio Community. It's a free program and it's on Microsoft's website. So click Download Visual Studio and run the program. Now, there's a lot of scary stuff here, but all we're going to do is scroll down a bit. Under Desktop and Mobile, click Desktop Development with C++. And don't worry about any of this other stuff. You could just leave it at the default and click Install. Okay, so after that's done, launch Visual Studio. You don't have to sign in. You can if you want, but I'm just going to hit Not Now. And I'm going to choose the dark environment. Okay, so once Visual Studio is open, you can create a new project. And we're just going to click Console App for C++. Click Next. Name it and place it wherever you want. I'm just going to leave the defaults. Hit Create. And it'll open some code for us. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so right off the bat, there's just a mess of stuff. To start us off, I'm just going to say, let's delete all this and start from scratch. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to show you how you can very quickly get some code going and output a text in the console that says hello world. So type exactly as I do and follow along. Hashtag include less than sign, greater than sign. If you type the less than sign in Visual Studio, it'll automatically put the greater than sign. And inside of that, we're going to type IOStream. So hashtag include space IOStream. Hit enter to go to the next line. And then type using space namespace space std semicolon, just like that. Go another line or two down, and then type int main parentheses curly brackets. Hit enter to give us some room to type. Then type cout less than sign quotation hello world semicolon. Now this is a complete program. If I hit F5, the program will run. You can also hit the play button at the top over here where it says local Windows debugger. And bam, we have a program that says hello world. So what we can do is we can make the console say anything we want. We can make it say hello world. Hi, how are you today? Hit F5 or click local Windows debugger to run. And bam, hi, how are you today? So there's a lot of different things going on here, and I just want to break it down very simply. In C++, we have what's called functions. And the first thing to always be executed in a C++ program is the main function. So this is our main function here, enclosed between the curly brackets. Everything inside of this main function will be executed when we run our program. Now, if I were to get rid of this code and just have nothing, it would still execute, but pretty much nothing would happen. So we have to provide all our instructions inside the main function. So cout is a command. Less than sign is just something in C++ that says we're about to tell the computer some sort of string of characters. So hello world, semicolon. So cout means character out, text hello world, basically. Now there's a lot that we can do with this. We can actually type that command again, and it will issue a new set of instructions on the next line. My name is Brian, semicolon. So let's run this and see what it does. Hello world, and then right after it outputs hello world, it says my name is Brian. But that doesn't really look very neat, right? We can't really read what's going on here. So what we can do after the hello world is we can issue another command, less than sign, we'll say end line, end L is the command. Now what this will do is it should push the following line right underneath hello world, because we are ending this line. Let's give it a try. Hello world, enter, my name is Brian. Now that's pretty cool, right? That can get a little annoying to type less than, space, end L a bunch of times. So there's another way to do this. You can also type \n inside the quotations, and this will produce the same exact effect. Hello world, enter, my name is Brian. Great. So this /n here actually acts as a command within the string that you typed within the quotations. Now there are different commands that aren't just limited to /n. There's also /t, which means to tab. So instead of going to the next line, if we do /t, you'll actually see my name is Brian moved over to the right. Let's give that a try. And there you go. Hello world, tab, my name is Brian. Great. Okay, so that's basically how to program in C++. We've learned how to output text to the console, move it over to the right, and move it over to the next line. Pretty simple, but it'll get more complex. So click the next video if you'd like to learn a little bit more. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.